Hello students, welcome back in your invoicing topic. So sales voucher एक और enter करके देखते हैं. Then we will check out the reports. Fine. So I just pressed F8 for sales invoice. You can see now it's showing me sales invoice number 2 and voucher date is 1st of April. So can I change voucher date? Yes. I'm just pressing F2 to change the voucher date, or suppose it's 1st of May. Invoice number is ABC02. Party name अभी जैसे मीनाक्षी है, I can create a new party. हिमानी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. क्रेडिटर्स परचेज के लिए होते हैं और सेल्स के लिए इट्स डेटर्स. And this feature, it's better to remain active and save by pressing Control A. You can skip and you can save. Sales ledger, we have already created in ledger accounts list. You just need to press enter for sales ledger. And now we are having computer, laptop, pen drive and webcam also. So इस बार multiple goods का हम sale कर सकते हैं because we are already having sufficient stock to sell. Computer, I am going to pick 20 pieces from Godown, Haryana. If you want to check that in which godown how many products are there, you just need to press backspace and check. Haryana and Punjab, and 20 pieces with rate. It's automatically picking up the rate that you have feeded earlier in your previous sales invoice. Next one is laptop. I'm going to say laptop 10 pieces. Yes, it's in Haryana. And I'm going to pick 45,000 per piece. And next is pen drive. I have 10 pieces and I'm going to sell 10 pieces. Next is webcam. Okay, all the electronics items I'm going to sell to Himani Electronics, which is our debtor. So webcam. I have 10 pieces in my stock now. Okay, so I'm selling 5 pieces. Amounted to rupees 2,500 and sale. And total amount comes to 11,72,500. And in narration, ये सिंपल सेल्स इनवॉइस है. जब हमारा टैली आप सीख लेंगे अच्छे से इनवॉइसिंग, देन आई विल टीच यू जीएसटी. नरेशन में बीइंग गुड्स सोल्ड टू हिमानी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, provide bill number ABC02 and say now let's check out the reports. The voucher is already saved. How we check the last day reports? In the same way we will check display. First of all, Daybook. Daybook is a platform that you can see all the entries, whether it is accounting or inventory. You can see sale, purchase, stock journal, sale, purchase. And if you want to see only specific vouchers, you just need to press only F4. F4 to select specific voucher. And I just selected sales. You can see 2 sales voucher. Next was account book and group summary and sales account. तो जितने भी आपके सेल्स वाउचर हैं ये यहाँ पे शो कर देगा. आई जस्ट प्रेस्ड एंटर एंड ये अप्रैल मंथ का सेल है, ये मई मंथ का सेल है. फाइन. वापिस. और ग्रुप समरी में you can check the details of your debtors and creditors as well. So I just selected sundry debtors. So I have two debtors, Himani Electronics and Meenakshi Enterprises, और इन दोनों का it is showing debit balance. That means we just need to receive this amount from these parties. And further way to check your detail is very important, sales register. Sales register may it will show the details as we have seen in a group summary the same way. Okay, April and May, and in downwards you can see its chart. And in financial statements you can check as well where do the sales shows in profit and loss account. Definitely in profit and loss account you can see the complete statement. I'm just not going to teach this you now because in the last segments we will go through the financial statements. For now, you just only need to learn sales voucher and checking out the reports in 3 or 4 ways. 3 or 4 ways are enough to check the reports of all the accounting and inventory vouchers. Display, day book, account book. Yes, in account book you can check in ledger as well. And in parties ledger individually you can check, like Himani Electronics, it should debit balance of Himani Electronics 11,72,500 that you need to receive. So that's why it's showing debit balance because assets always consist debit balance. And same as with Meenakshi Enterprises, it's showing 3,50,000 debit balance and you need to receive because all the receiving amount or the amounts which are supposed to receive always showing debit side. So in next class we will learn that how will you receive the amounts from debtors and how will you pay the amount to the creditors. Basically in the next class we will relate our inventory vouchers with accounting vouchers because creditors are supposed to pay and debtors are supposed to pay to us. So in next class we will just merge this accounting and inventory vouchers and we'll go through in detailed manner in the reports. Let's continue in another class. For now this one is sufficient and just keep practicing. Thank you.